I wanted to share all the supplies and tools I used for my December layout in my bullet journal. So just basic markers, a pen, washi tape, a ruler, and some stencils. Let me show what I did. So for the first page, I just did basic bubbles and their basic shapes, just round, and just use a marker for that. The next page was with the name of the month, which is December this month. And then I'm skipping to a little quote or something to ponder. After that, we have the month of the year, and this is the stencil I used for this, just like this. I used some markers to go into each square, and it's such a quick setup for the month. The next page is the month at a glance, and for that I used this setup, oops, just like this, and I'm able to tell by the setting up of the squares how much I need to make that Dutch door here. And that's how I went after that. I measured by the first set of the stencils. After some snowflakes and some washi tape, I went around the squares with some watercolor brush markers, brush pens, and they bled, of course, a little bit. So I went ahead and I cut one more page so I can glue it at the back of this one. And that's how I fixed my mistake. It was easy peasy. Then for this lineup here, I used this stencil. It helped me just without thinking to mark the 7 days of the week, and I went ahead and I did my markings on the stencil as well. So from now on, for that size of a dot grid journal, this stencil will be just exactly what I need. So it was an easy setup. After that is my Dutch door setup here. Instead of writing every week the days of the week on the side, I did Dutch doors and just did this marking here on each page of it, keeping my days of the week here. And I can even change what I want to track, but keep the days of the week on the side. That was very easy. And then my next week after that, starting on Sunday the 8th actually, I used just a washi tape to mark those bubbles here for the days of the week. And if I want to put more information, I still have more space here on the side to add that. And my Dutch doors again here. Next page, I have this stencil, just like that. And I did follow my dots. And I just used the sides of the stencil. Here I just freehanded and wrote the days of the week connecting to the corners. And then here I used pencils to give them some depth, and my Dutch doors and my tracking. Then the next week after that, starting on December the 22nd, just again my little helpful washi tape as a stencil here. And then I put a couple of rows, and I can always put one more row here in between those for extra lines if I need to. And my Dutch doors. And I just went really quickly here with my pen and just scribbled some colors. snowflakes, bubbles. It's a very nice and easy December decoration. Last but not least, I used here the monthly stencil. There are actually 12 squares here, but I used only 7 of them because I could fit them here on my little half page. And that's my last stencil I used. And my Dutch door, actually here I did not, this is actually the last one. So I just put my trackers just like this, and also every time I would turn a week, I could see the whole month here in the corner. That I like seeing where the days fall for a quick glance. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Catch you in the next one.